loves a flawless face, but not everyone is blessed with one. Stress, anxiety, bad eating habits, pollution all result in a prevalent skin condition called acne. It is often found to a cause of low self-esteem and confidence among teenagers and young adults. So how is acne caused? Our skin has tiny holes or pores which, when gets blocked due to oil, dead skin cells develop into a pimple or a zit. But when your skin is repeatedly affected by this condition, it is called acne. While whiteheads and blackheads, also known as comedons, are commonly found among people of all ages, some inflammatory lesions are severe. If not taken care of, they may cause permanent scarring. Some of these include papules, pustules, nodules, and cysts. Acne usually appears on the face, forehead, chest, upper back, and shoulders. Although mild acne improves by using the over-the-counter medications, severe conditions may require expert treatment. It is interesting to note that people who are undergoing puberty are most likely to be at a greater risk of being affected by acne, as the hormonal changes in the body may trigger oil production, which leads to an increased risk of it. Other factors include taking hormonal medications, a diet rich in refined sugars or carbohydrates, or hereditary. How can acne be treated? A mild form of acne can be treated at home by following a good skincare routine. Here are some of the self-care activities to clean up your pores and keep your skin healthy. Cleanse your skin daily with mild soap to remove excess oil and dirt. Avoid touching your face often. Shampoo your hair regularly and keep it out of your face. Do not squeeze or pick pimples, as it can spread the bacteria and excess oils. Use non-pore clogging makeup. Remove your makeup thoroughly before going to bed. Eating a healthy diet. Reducing stress. Some of the over-counter medications are also available which can help kill the bacteria and reduce oil on your skin. These include benzoyl peroxide, present in the acne creams and gels, sulfur, present in lotions, cleansers and masks, resorcinol, an ingredient used to remove dead skin cells, salicylic acid, often found in soaps and acne washes. Nowadays, many advanced treatments are also provided by expert dermatologists to ensure that you are relieved from the condition without your skin getting scarred. Some of these methods include photodynamic therapy, dermabrasion, chemical peels, etc. Most of the mild acne clears up in 6 to 8 weeks. But if you are suffering from a severe form, it's better to contact your dermatologist and get expert advice to get that flawless looking skin.